So when you think of programming, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Probably computers, maybe math, logic, or even possibly a really boring science teacher. Not that I had one, but you might have had a bad experience in school at one point where you were like, this is not what I want to be doing. So the one thing though that's evident right in today's world is that programming is part of technology, and technology is everywhere in our world today. So I've been teaching a long time, and I've taught programming, I've taught database design, web development, and some other things regarding technology. And I do know that when students are first starting out with anything, one of the biggest hurdles is simply getting started. That's why I created this particular tutorial. It's a series of steps that's going to help you lower the barrier and see what coding is all about. So there's a link here. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's down here in the notes. If you're viewing it on the website, it's here in the blog post. If you're actually out on Facebook, we have a link out there too. So I've been trying to put it out there everywhere so you can get to it. Now, who should be following the link? It's pretty simple. I know homeschooling parents, or if you're doing any homeschooling at all, you're looking for resources to try to better understand what coding is, because maybe you're trying to do some STEM or STEAM inside of your curriculum. If you're a parent and you have a son or a daughter who you think might be more interested in knowing what this is about, or maybe even yourself, you can come out and check out this tutorial. It's not going to take you all that long to do. It'll take you a few moments. But I had a really good friend check out the tutorial, and he's been programming for a long while, and he does the traditional programming, which you will get to eventually. But when he went back and did this particular topic using this tool, he said he had a lot of fun. And I think really that's what I really get excited about for you. So when you get into this, I would love to know what you think about it. Is it fun? And I know that there's a lot of programmers out there, and having programmed myself for a very long time, we know that not every day is fun and not every coding task is easy, but there's something about it that has us coming back time and time again. And if you get into this coding tutorial after watching this video now to this point, which means you really do want to get into this tutorial, I could tell you that one of the reasons why we do come back is simply because there's an excitement, call it a rush. I don't know, you want to phrase it however you want, when you solve that problem and you make something happen. So with that being said, I would love to know how you do with this tutorial. So check it out. Get started coding.